Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to talk about how you can set up navigation menu on Shopify. And it would be an excellent video if you are a beginner or newbie in Shopify and you are looking forward to create your own navigation menu on Shopify. First of all, you just need to understand what is navigation menu. So let's go and let's see our interface of our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store and this is the design, and in the top corner you can see we have this announcement bar which is called welcome to our store. And then after this one, underneath this announcement we have the logo here as you can see it, and next to the logo we have options called menu. This is the navigation bar we called as a developer word. So if you click on catalog, it will redirect you to the catalog page. If you click on contact, it will redirect you to the contact page. So by using the navigation bar, you are allowed to access easily to any page. So there is a couple of options we have to create navigation bar. You can edit it, like let's click on, come back to this admin panel and just click on online store. In fact, once we click over here to the online store, then we will get couple of options called themes, pages and preference. So I am going to click on themes. Once I click over here, then I will get the options to customize our theme, like our current theme. As you can see, just click on customize. Once I click over here to the customize, then here you will get the options to edit whole section. So here you can see if I click on the left corner of announcement but just click one of them, now I am able to edit it. I am able to change the words. Let's change it. Subscribe our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Then if you want to edit something on the header, just come back to header and here you will get found out these options called header. Once you click over here, then here you can see we have the options called logo position. Like what is logo position? If you click on top right, then you can see that the logo is changing. So in this way you will identify the position of your logo, so you can change it however you want. So I think this one is looking really cool, so I will change it. So now then it comes to mobile logo and position. So it is for the mobile one, so I will leave it right now because it is not important in this video. Then the main important thing is menu in the header. Like underneath of the header you will find out menu, and here you can see our menu is selected. So if you want to remove this one, let's go and try to edit it. So here when we click on edit, it redirects us to this page. As you can see it, here we have the options like home, catalog and contact. If you add a new item, just here let's add FAQ and let's search or paste the link pages, and there's no pages yet. Let's search for the blog, we don't have. So here I will click on policy, privacy policy, and let's save it. And here you can see our FAQ has been added. If I visit the front end design and I refresh it, here you will find out some changes. Like additionally I add this one, so I just need to be click on these options. Sometimes it's happened for the cache issue, so I think that's why it's happening. So I will replace it with the main menu, footer menu. Here you can see it has been changed. This is the footer menu. Again, if I go to the I will replace and with the main menu, and now eventually you can see our FAQ is visible right now. Let's save it. Once I click on save, then it has been saved. Now eventually I will show our result in this panel. Let's refresh it, and now eventually you can see that our FAQ has been added. Now we are allowed to access it from that place. So if you want to create a main menu, like here you just want to create another menu by your like custom, then you can create it. Just come over here, then here when you will come to the dashboard panel, here you just need to be click on continue. Once you click over here continue, though you will get couple of options, but you just need to be click on menus. Here you will find out this menu next to the files, and here once you come over here you are allowed to create a new menu. In the right corner you will find out a button called create menu. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now here you can see I am going to make a menu that will be by my name, so I can identify it's any time Mahin's menu. And now I am going to save it. Once I save it, then I am going to add menu items that will be probably by my name, that like I am trying to make it unique way, so that is meta. Then let's go home page, then add another one that will be menu, then search one, search, then go here and blog, then link something blog. There's a no blog yet. Okay, no problem. I'm going to add an hashtag. Okay, I just need to add a policy. I associated with the privacy policy page into the poll, and here you can add one by one menus like item over that place. In fact, once you're done, just click on save. Even though you are like new on Shopify, I hope this throughout the video step by step guideline is helping you to understand whole the process. So let's dive into the main topic again. So once I click on save, then it has been saved. Now I will come back to this customize options. So I can go with these options again. Just click on themes and then I will click on customize. Once I click over here, that it will open onto the panel, and here I will select the header. Once I click on the header, then in the right corner you will get the changes over here, or options you will get. Now you are allowed to change it how you want. So here you can see I will come to the menu and then I will click on replace. Once I click over here, now eventually you can see we already create a new menu that name was Mine's menu, and here you can see our Mine's menu is visible in here. If you just select it, you can change whole thing. So in this way you can easily create menu for you in Shopify, and the process is really simple. So here we have couple of other options. If you want to know more about these options, you can comment below on the comment box. I will make a whole video on this. So our topic was to change the menu, and you can see we completely change our menu. Now you just need to click on save. Once you click over save, then I will just exit, click on exit, and then just view our design. Let's see it, and here you can see eventually our menu is working like our navigation bar. So this way you can easily set up your navigation menu on Shopify. So I hope you understand how you can create the menu. This is really simple. Let's give a recap. You just need to become onto the content, then you will find out menus, and in the menu panel you just need to be click on create menu. Then here you just need to be provide a menu name, then you can add item over that place. This is really simple. I hope you love this video. If you think this video give you so much knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.